Today, we are using Smart & Easy Citrus Paint and Varnish Remover Gel on a side table by performing a small test first to ensure the remover is compatible with the coating and surface. You'll need a brush, a scraper, water, and a scouring pad. Apply it thick enough so that you cannot see the color of the surface beneath, about 1/4 inch, and then cover to prevent premature drying. We recommend using Dumond Laminated Paper to cover, sold separately. Smart & Easy Citrus can remove acrylic, latex, oil, and water-based paints, stains, and varnishes. It works on most surface types, but this test is crucial to ensure your surface is compatible. Once you confirm that Smart & Easy Citrus works with your project, apply it to the surface using a brush. Once you have completed a section, cover with Dumond Laminated Paper. Continue this process until the entire surface is covered. Now we wait. Removal can take anywhere from 30 minutes up to 24 hours. Testing will help you determine the dwell time. Periodically check under the paper to see if the layers come off easily. Once you see this, you are ready to remove. Use a scraper or similar tool to scrape away the emulsified coatings. Remove in sections to keep the remaining coatings in a wet state during the entire process. Use the Dumond Laminated Paper to collect the emulsified coatings for easy cleanup. Spray with water and agitate the surface with a nylon brush or scouring pad to get rid of any remaining residue. When removing stain or varnish, you may need additional agitation. Once removed and dry, your surface is ready for repainting. If Smart & Easy Citrus Paint and Varnish Remover Gel does not perform during testing, it is likely due to incompatibility with the chemistry of the coatings present. This remover is designed specifically for oil, latex, acrylic, and water-based coatings. Another Dumond paint remover may be required for your specific project. Testing determines this compatibility.